Ready to bring serious efficiency into your kitchen? These high-end Amazon gadgets are designed to save you time, cut down on waste, and make everyday cooking feel effortless. From smarter prep tools to powerful appliances, each one helps you get more done with less hassle. Check the links in the description to see them all. Elevate your sipping experience with these rotating whiskey glasses. The crystal base spins smoothly, adding a fun twist to every pour while keeping your drink secure. With a generous 10-ounce capacity, they're perfect for bourbon, scotch, or cocktails. Precision-crafted textures make each glass look stylish and modern, turning your drink into a conversation piece. Packaged in an elegant gift box, they're ideal for dads, husbands, or any whiskey lover. Peeling vegetables and fruits just got effortless. The Rotato Express automatically spins potatoes, carrots, apples, and more, removing skins in seconds. Its non-slip base keeps it steady, while the built-in storage holds spare blades for convenience. Easy to use and safe, it's perfect for anyone tired of hand peeling. Cleanup is simple with a quick wipe or removable blade wash, making prep fast and stress-free. Making dumplings just got effortless and fun. This electric dumpling machine forms perfectly sealed dumplings in seconds with just a push of a button. It has automatic and manual modes, so you can go fast or take control for DIY fun. USB rechargeable and easy to clean. It comes with molds, cutters, spoons, and brushes for all your filling and shaping needs. From family dinners to gatherings, homemade dumplings have never been easier or more delicious. Turn your kitchen into an ice cream parlor. This soft-serve machine makes frozen yogurt, sorbet, gelato, and drinks in just 20 minutes. No ice or salt needed. 3 mix-in containers let you add sprinkles, chocolate chips, or warm fudge as it dispenses. The lever gives you perfect swirls every time, straight into cones or bowls. Easy to clean and fully automatic, it makes dessert fun, fast, and mess-free. Stop digging through dark corners for pots and pans. This blind corner pullout brings everything in your cabinet into full view with smooth gliding shelves. 2 tiers and 4 baskets give you plenty of organized space for heavy cookware, jars, or containers. It fits left or right opening cabinets and adjusts to different item heights. Strong metal construction makes it sturdy, so kitchen storage is easier, safer, and stress-free. Bring the bar home without the hassle. This cocktail machine mixes drinks perfectly at the push of a button. Just insert a capsule and choose your strength. Capsules made by mixologists cover favorites like margaritas, whiskey sours, and old fashions. It keeps cleaning simple with dishwasher-safe parts and an automatic rinse after every drink. All you need is your favorite spirits, and you're ready to serve craft cocktails in seconds. Take your coffee from ordinary to cafe quality at home. This all-in-one milk frother creates silky microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, or iced drinks with perfect consistency. With multiple froth textures, heat settings, and adjustable speeds, you can make over 30 different drinks effortlessly. The large jug and automatic frothing make it easy to enjoy rich, creamy foam every time. Cleanup is simple, so every cup is ready fast and hassle-free. Opening jars shouldn't hurt your hands, and this electric jar opener makes sure it doesn't. Just press one button and it clamps, twists, and opens jars for you effortlessly. High torque power handles even tight or vacuum-sealed lids, so weak or arthritic hands can stay independent. Its adjustable jaws fit most jar sizes, and the compact design stores easily in any drawer. Finally, kitchen tasks become simple, safe, and stress-free. Why settle for ordinary coffee when you can have cafe-quality drinks at home? This fully automatic espresso machine grinds, tamps, and brews at the touch of a button. With 20 presets, you can enjoy everything from espresso to lattes, cappuccinos, and even iced coffee. The fast cleaning milk system makes frothy drinks effortless, while quiet operation means you'll never wake the house. Customize your favorites and start your day with the perfect cup every time. Cutting has never felt this effortless. This 17-piece knife set glides through everything with precision thanks to sharp German stainless steel blades. Ergonomic handles make each knife feel like an extension of your hand, giving comfort and control. The built-in sharpener keeps your edges razor sharp without any hassle. From chopping veggies to slicing meat, it's ready to handle all your kitchen tasks with ease. Bring the fun of a campfire right into your kitchen. This electric s'mores maker lets you roast marshmallows perfectly without flames or fuss. 2 safe roasting forks and 4 trays keep chocolate, crackers, and marshmallows organized for everyone. It heats quickly, so you can start making gooey treats in minutes. Cleanup is a breeze with removable trays, making movie nights or family treats extra simple and fun. Say goodbye to messy counters with these clever, foldable cutting boards. They fold up to pour chopped food straight into bowls or pans, saving you from spills. Soft grip handles and non-slip feet keep them steady while you work. The textured surfaces are gentle on knives, but tough on prep. Lightweight and easy to clean, they make chopping faster, neater, and way more enjoyable. Peeling and chopping can take forever, but this electric slicer makes it effortless. You can adjust the slice thickness with a simple knob, giving you perfect cuts for salads, stews, or snacks. Made entirely of stainless steel, it's durable, rust-free, and easy to clean. Suction cups keep it steady while slicing, and a manual mode lets you take control when there's no power. From potatoes to tomatoes or lemons, it handles almost any fruit or veggie in seconds. Drizzling oil just got effortless. These glass dispenser bottles let you pour with precision, so no more spills or mess on your countertop. Perfect for olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, or even homemade dressings. They make cooking and serving smooth and easy. Each bottle comes with customizable, waterproof labels to keep your kitchen organized. Sleek, durable, and stylish, they're a practical upgrade that looks great on any countertop. Why settle for one cooking function when you can have 6? This compact countertop oven lets you air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, and reheat all in one spot. Its convection system circulates heat evenly, giving vegetables, meats, and baked goods a perfectly golden finish. A steam feature brings moisture back to leftovers or stale bread, making everything taste fresh. With included racks, baskets, and pans, it's ready to handle meals for 2 to 4 people with ease. Craving restaurant-style pizza without leaving home? This countertop pizza oven heats up fast and cooks your pizza at high temperatures for a crispy crust and perfectly melted toppings. The ceramic stone base spreads heat evenly, helping the dough bake just right from edge to center. An adjustable timer and temperature control keep the cooking simple and precise. The viewing window lets you watch your pizza as it bakes to golden perfection. Slicing homemade bread can quickly turn messy and uneven. This manual bread slicer gives you clean, bakery-style slices with a simple turn of the handle. The serrated stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through crusty sourdough or soft sandwich loaves without tearing. Adjustable thickness settings let you choose anything from thin sandwich slices to thick toast. Strong suction cups keep it steady on the counter, so every slice comes out neat and uniform. Your morning toast just got an upgrade. This smart toaster features a bright touchscreen that lets you choose the bread type and browning level with a simple tap. A digital timer shows exactly how long is left, so there's no more guessing when breakfast will pop up. Extra wide slots handle everything from thick slices to bagels with ease. Helpful modes like defrost, bagel, and cancel give you full control over every toast. Seasoning your food should be quick and effortless. This battery-powered spice mill grinds salt, pepper, and other spices at the press of a button. Interchangeable spice pods let you switch flavors instantly without mixing them together. A ceramic grinder crushes spices smoothly, while the adjustable setting lets you choose fine or coarse seasoning. The built-in LED light even shows exactly where the spices are landing on your dish. Cooking steak perfectly can feel like guesswork. This precision sous vide cooker removes the uncertainty by keeping water at an exact temperature while your food slowly cooks inside. The constant circulation locks in juices and flavor, giving you tender meat, fish, or vegetables every time. With accuracy within 1/10 of a degree, it delivers restaurant-style results right in your kitchen. Just clip it to a pot, set the temperature, and let it handle the rest. Grating cheese doesn't have to be slow or messy. This rotary grater lets you prep ingredients by simply turning a handle, while the sharp drum blade does the cutting. Swap between multiple stainless steel blades to shred cheese, slice vegetables, crush nuts, or even shave ice for cold drinks. A strong suction base locks it firmly to the counter, so it stays steady while you work. Just load the ingredients, spin the handle, and watch perfectly grated food fall right out. Carving a roast shouldn't feel like a workout. This electric knife glides through meat, bread, and even delicate cakes with smooth, even slices every time. Dual serrated stainless steel blades move back and forth rapidly, doing the hard work so you don't have to. The powerful motor keeps cutting steady, while the ergonomic handle gives you comfortable control. A matching serving fork helps hold food in place, turning carving into a quick and effortless task. Chopping vegetables shouldn't take forever. This multi-blade chopper slices, dices, and grates ingredients in seconds, helping you prep meals much faster. Interchangeable stainless steel blades handle everything from onions and peppers to cheese and cabbage with clean, even cuts. The built-in container catches everything underneath, keeping your counter neat and organized. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and turns everyday meal prep into a quick, hassle-free routine. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.